Hi, my familia. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I have to cultivate the attitude of making it our YouTube channel. In my last two videos, I kept saying my, and it wasn't just sounding alright with me. So welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new, kindly subscribe. If you're an old family member, welcome back. Don't forget to share with your friends when you're done watching. So today we're going to be talking about something very, very important. This video is long overdue, and here we finally have it. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 big lessons of 2020. Yeah, 3 big lessons I learned in the past year. And today's video is very special because I have 4 different ladies with me here today. You get to see them very soon. They are called the Fortified. You get to them very soon, and they are all YouTubers. We'll talk about that later. So this video is titled the 3 big lessons of 2020. I know many people are going to attack me anytime I keep saying the 5, the 3, the this, the that. People are always like, it's not just 3, it's not just 5. Don't make it like everything you say is the ultimate and all. No, there's still room for many, but I'm just going to tell you the 3 big lessons I learned in 2020. Watching this video in 2030 or 2040 or 2050 or 2070 or 3000, when I would have been, I may still be alive. But in case you're watching this video later on and you're wondering what's the big deal about 2020, just 2020 is the year that shook, and a year that we never experienced at all. So 2020 is the pandemic year, kind of. It's just the year where we were locked down. We had to go on series of lockdown. Our activities were interrupted due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and so on and so forth. Many things happened. We were basically indoors for about 7 to 8 months. So I'm going to be telling you 3 different lessons I learned in 2020. Number 1, take advantage of every opportunity. I learned that the hard way. My mom is a caterer, for example, and she has been begging me, praise. You need to learn catering. You need to do this. You need to do that. Not like I still know how to do egg roti today or something. But that particular period I was always going with her to shop, learning this, learning that. I just took advantage of that period. But after some time, I stopped going. But I invested my months also. I took a master class online. I learned new things. I tried out new dishes. Like, now I can make yamarita. Second lesson I learned in 2020 is to plan your moves. So I started up a blog in 2020 I started up that blog with barely 5 contents, and I was busy announcing, hi guys, I'm opening my blog, hi guys, I'm starting a YouTube channel. So I started this YouTube channel in 2019, and I just wanted to do it for doing sake. I was working at the time, but I wasn't really doing anything in the office, and I was like, this is a nice background, lights, phone, a few contents, let's just push something out. That was my motive. But in 2020, I learned to plan before taking a move. So I started up my blog with barely 5 contents, and I found out that I was just keeping people waiting. I wasn't consistent because I didn't really have enough content. So before you embark on a journey, before you take on something you want to do, ensure that you are well prepared. For example, you want to start up a blog, have at least contents that can run for a full month before starting up the blog. If you want to start up a YouTube channel, have at least contents that can run for at least 1 month before starting up your YouTube channels. Number 3, don't inform God, involve Him. I know that sounds like deep, but do you really understand it? Don't inform God, involve Him. When at the beginning of 2020, people were like, the beginning of the year is that period where many people go on retreats, churches are on a fast. We all want to hear what God has to say for us in 2020 and all of that. What should we do in 2020? Lord, what should I do in 2020? What would you have me do? What's my assignment? What should I focus on? What should I drop? Blah, blah, blah. And at that period, many of us already have what we want to do. So we go to God with this disposition of, I already know what I want to do, but let me just pray so that you would. And God is looking at you like, you don't need guidance anymore. You already made up your mind. But if you can go to God with this attitude of, I'm leaving all my plans to you, I'm putting all my plans into your hands, what would you have me do? God will give you directions. many people said it last year that we all didn't see this whole COVID-19 pandemic coming. But some people already had directions that they got to understand during the pandemic. For example, I have a particular program that runs monthly. It's a fiscal meeting. But in 2020, I got a specific direction to focus more on the online platform. Little did I know that it would get to a point where we would no longer be able to meet physically and all that. So if I had not involved God in my plans, I would have just gone ahead, printed flyers and wasted money and all of that. So learn to involve God, not just inform Him. So right now we'll be having the 45 come up here and speak to us on the big lessons of 2020, what they learned, and I'm sure you would also learn. Drama.
What's up? Hi! How you doing? It's nice to be on the show.
Thank you. It's nice. In fact, it's actually an honor because this for they are blown. They are blown on the radio. They are blown.
They don't make noise.
They don't make noise. All right, guys. So we're going to be talking about the big lessons of 2020. Here we have
Kenny. Praise the new. Cup of tea.
People don't know this girl, but you know me on our channel. I've been on our channel a couple times. And this is my covenant friend, Praise Gani.
I do.
And they're all YouTubers. I'll be dropping the link in the description box below. Please do well to subscribe. They're all vibes. So we're going to be talking about the big lessons of 2020. I mean, what's that lesson that you learned in 2020 that's like, this will keep me going for life? Who wants to go first?
Tea.
Okay, so what I learned in 2020 is that you should not rely on your own power to do anything. Basically, you have to rely on God. And also that you need friends to push you because you can't do anything alone. Believe me. Last year was the year I learned the value of friendship. I just bless God.
Glory!
Period!
Okay, 2020, I actually learned independence. I learned to be myself, to be on my own, and then to still be able to make something out of myself. I not depending on anybody, because 2020 was actually a tough year for everybody.
Mm-hmm.
So if you are actually depending on people, or you're thinking, this person, actually the thing is just depend on God solely, and then just have it at the back of your mind that, okay, I have myself for myself. No matter what happens, no matter whatever it takes, I would always be I'm always it's just me, myself, and I. And
God.
Yeah, and God. Obviously, that's the number one person. So I forgot.
Say something, Mama.
I took let me say all or most of my bold steps in 2020.
Okay.
So I learned that thing you're scared to do. I started my YouTube channel last year, and a lot of people were making jest over that. But we want to launch a YouTube, we want to launch a channel, and I'm close to 1,000 already.
We went on getting YouTube channel in 2019. I give it to you.
So my what I learned is that take that step, no matter what people are going to say. They're going.
They will always
They will
always
try to discourage you.
Talk is cheap.
Yeah. So and try to be consistent and determined, and
And intentional.
Yeah.
So Kenny, Ken looking Kenny.
Okay, so in 2020, I learned that people will disappoint you. I learned that don't depend on people for some things. Okay, I opened my YouTube channel in 2020, and
how about you too?
The people that I expected to like
Come through
so
for you.
behind my back
Yeah.
and everything.
IQ.
And I'm like, oh wow. And even till now, they are still like that.
It's
Like
shocking.
they will send me their links to their
Yeah.
YouTube page. I'll repost. And when I send mine, they won't post, they won't repost. They might not even view it. So don't rely on anybody. That's what I learned.
People will disappoint you.
Definitely.
I think what you said is actually very important because, especially for new YouTubers, not like I'm one expert. But then when you're starting up a YouTube channel, the focus should not be on I have people behind me. They will fail. I even got to realize that my most viewed video, I didn't send it to a broadcast list. I didn't send it to my broadcast list. I just posted it on Facebook. Like normally when I have a new video up on my YouTube channel, I just send to my broadcast list on WhatsApp. Okay, a new video is out. They will even post on their status.
And they won't watch.
Do you understand? So, but when I realized that this one, the views were just going. In fact, the second highest viewed video on this channel right now, I didn't send the links out. So just do your thing. People that will watch, you will see some strange names and
Yes.
Wow.
Strange people that will come in.
Even from the abroad.
We're going international.
I didn't hear that actually. So thank you very much. Those are the things that we learned in 2020. What's that big lesson you learned in 2020? Kindly drop us a comment in the section below and please subscribe to the YouTube channels. The links I'll be posting. Kindly subscribe. Please subscribe. Please, these people are blown, no.
Yeah, no.
Now, when you subscribe, they'll get new YouTuber alerts. Later, they'll start ignoring it because oh my god, on a daily. You understand? So guys, thank you so much once again for coming. 45. People are supposed to have like an anthem with Tinuke as the lead.
45 forever.
Forever, you baby.
Finish.
Forever.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching. Do well to subscribe, like, comment, all those things that all these YouTubers say at the end of their
All those
videos.
good things you need to do.
Do them.
I'm not doing one entertainment from
Thank you
now,
so much. Bye.
And please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to drop me a comment and follow me on Instagram. Bye bye. You